Hello everyone. Thank you very much. You are still watching the learning video here, and I hope all of you are always fine. In this episode, I would like to explain modal verbs in English and how to use them. You know that modal verbs in English are always called special verbs because they have different functions from other verbs. The differences in function will be clearly understood once we learn and can apply them in sentences which included 1. Can. Can here has meanings ability, permissions, or possibility. For examples, she can drive a car well. You can take this one. Can you lend me some money? 2. Could. The past tense form of can. It has the meanings of possibility, polite request, or possibility. Examples: I could play football well when I was young. Could you help me? She could lend you some money. 3. May. It has meanings of permission or possibility. Examples: you may leave the meeting earlier if necessary. May I enter the room? It's cloudy. It may rain soon outside. 4. Might is the past tense form of may and it has the meaning possibility. Example: she might be at home. Please go there. 5. Must. Must here has the meanings of obligation, necessity, or strong assumption. For example, a motorcycle rider must use a helmet on the road. It must be hot outside. 8. 6. So has the meanings of formal suggestions or future intent. For examples, we shall we go for a walk to the beach? I shall be at the party tonight. 7. Should. The past tense of shall, and it has the meanings of advice or expectation. For examples, he should eat more vegetables. The manager should be at the office now. 8. Will has the meanings of future intent, promises, or certainty. For examples, I will call you tonight. The machine will work well. 9. Would, the past tense form of will. It has the meanings of polite requests, hypothetical situations. For example, would you like telling me the address? I would go around the world if I had more money. After you understand what modal verbs in English and know how to use them in sentences. Sentence patterns. Positive sentence, subjects plus modal, can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, or would, plus infinitive without to or be, plus complements, objects, adjectives, or adverb. Sentence patterns in a negative form, subject plus modal can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, or would, plus not, plus infinitive with a to or be, plus complements, objects, adjective, or adverb. Sentence patterns in interrogative sentences, modals can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, or would, plus subject, plus infinitive with a to or be, plus complement, object, adjective, or adverb. Interrogative sentences is a question which is answered with yes or no. The next sentence patterns is question with question words W or H, questions. Question words plus modals can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, or would, plus subject, plus infinitive with a to or be, plus complement, object, adjective, or adverb. After you understand modal verbs in English and how to use them, and now let's see the examples below and pay attention how it can be. Number one, whoa, you can speak English fluently without putting a noun. It's great. This is present ability. Two, can you lend me your umbrella? This is asking permission. Three, I can help you do your work if you don't mind. This is offering. Four, where can I buy a new motorcycle like this? This is a question. Five, when I was in Australia last year, I could communicate with everyone in English. This is past ability. Six, could you tell the address of my English teacher? Polite request. Seven, if you had money, you could go around the world easily. This is hypothetical situation. Number eight, she could be a good singer if she practiced singing routinely. This is hypothetical potential. 9. She couldn't write well when she was at the elementary school. This is inability in the past. 10. She couldn't study at the university because her parents were poor. This is also inability in the past. Well, after you understand the kinds of modal verbs in English and how to use them, now we go to the exercise.
Complete the following sentences using correct modal verbs. 1. A good runner. Run 10 kilometers without stopping. Present ability. It's okay. 2. You lend me the car for a moment, please. Asking permission. It's great. 3. What? I help you to solve your difficulty. Offering. It's okay. 4. I get a job opportunity for a foreign company when I was under 25 years old. Hypothetical potential. It's great. 5. It rain heavily, soon, so take an umbrella. Possibility. Alright. 6. We go to the beach for sightseeing or watching movie. Suggestion. It's great. 7. You take medicine 3 times a day to get healthy soon. Necessity. It's okay. 8. When we have debt, we return it back. Obligation. It's okay. 9. The developer. Complete the project before deadline. Obligation. It's okay. 10. We exercise regularly to gain health. Necessity. It's okay.
Thank you very much for your attention. See you in different topic.